Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss linear equations in two variables. This is second chapter in 8th class. So already we know the variables. They are x, y, z, etc. are the variables, and all the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, whatever. These all are the constants. These are variables and constants. The combination of variables and constants by multiplication is called term. The combination of terms by using addition or subtraction are called expressions. Now, if you have equal sign in a expression is called equation. If an expression has equal sign, then that expression is called equation. Left to this equal sign, we have an expression, and right to this equal sign also, we will have an expression. That means this equal sign divided into two parts. That left side of expression is called LHS. Right side to the expression is called RHS. ఈక్వల్ సైన్ అనేది టూ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ అంటాం, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. దిస్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. ఇది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ కొన్ని టూ పార్ట్స్. And in this expression we have two variables, that is x and y. In 2x minus 3y, the degree of the x, that means exponent, is there is no exponent means it is 1. There is no exponent means it is 1. We can write 3x square plus 4y. It is also an equation. Suppose 3x plus 4y square equal to 6, or 3x square plus 4y square plus 6z to the power of 4 equal to 10. These all are also equations. And 3x plus 6y cube, it is an expression. So in this expression, its x degree is 1. Exponent of x is 1, exponent of y is 3. Among these two, highest degree is 3. So its degree of this expression is 3. Okay, so ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో x యొక్క ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఒకటి, y యొక్క ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ 3 ఉంది. రెండిట్లలో పెద్దది 3 కాబట్టి మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యొక్క డిగ్రీ 3 అంటాం. This is degree. And in this, exponent of x is 2 and y is 2 and z is 4. So among these three terms, this 6z to the power of 4 has highest degree. Therefore the degree of this equation equal to 4. అంటే ఉన్న దాంట్లో పెద్దది ఏది ఉంటుందో మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కానీ మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ కానీ ఆ పెద్దదాన్ని డిగ్రీ అంటాం. హియర్ ఆల్సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 1. సో అమాంగ్ దిస్ 2 is the greater. So degree of this equation is 2. Degree of this equation is 2, like that. In this, both the terms we have 1. Therefore degree of this expression is 1. Degree is 1. Okay, so if you have equal to 4, the degree of this equation is 1. Degree of this equation is 2. Degree of this equation is 4. Degree of this equation is suppose 6. Degree of this equation is 3. If degree of an equation is 1, then the equation is called linear equation. If the degree of an equation is 1, then the equation is called linear equation. This is linear equation. Okay. If degree of an equation is 2, then that equation is called quadratic equation. If degree of an equation is, then that is cubic equation. Then after, we call this is fourth degree equation. Then if you have the 5, that is fifth degree equation, sixth degree equation, like that. So in particularly, it is linear, quadratic and cubic equations. If suppose 2x minus 3y equal to 4, it is linear equation. In this linear equation, we have two variables, that is x and y. If we have only one variable, then that equation is called linear equation in one variable. If an equation has only one variable, then the equation is called linear equation in one variable. First of all, it is a linear equation and it has only one variable, so it is called linear equation in one variable. Okay, so this is our chapter, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so in this left side we have 2x minus 3y, so it is LHS, 2x minus 3y. In RHS we have 4. It is linear equation in one variable. So this linear equation in one variable is also called as simple equation. Suppose I have x plus 6 equal to 10. By writing 4 in place of x, we'll get 4 plus 6 equal to 10. That is 4 plus 6 is 10 equal to 10. That means by replacing some value in x, we'll get LHS equal to RHS. This value of x is called solution of the equation. That x value, that replaced value, is called solution of the equation. అంటే ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఏదో పెట్టడం వల్ల మనకి ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఏదైతే రాస్తున్నామో దట్ వాల్యూ, ఆ వాల్యూనే మనము ఈక్వేషన్కి సొల్యూషన్ అంటాం. సో హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ ద సొల్యూషన్? వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 6 ఈక్వల్ టు 10. దెన్ ఎక్స్ transpose this plus 6 to right side, that will become minus 6. X equal to 10 minus 6 is 4, like this. So this is the process to find the x value. So what we are doing, transposing plus 6 to right side, that will become minus 6. If we have 3x equal to 15, then x equal to, transpose this 3x means 3 into x, transpose to right side, so it will become, into will become divided by 3 ones are 3 5s are, then x equal to 5. Suppose if you have x minus 6 equal to 10, then to find x, transpose minus 6 to right side, that will become plus 6. X equal to 16. 16 minus 6 equal to 10. If you have x by 3 equal to 15, then to find the x, transpose to right side, that will become into 15. into 3, that is 15 into 3, that equal to 45. So this is the process to find the value of variable or solution of the equation. Okay, let us see some problems. Solve the following simple equations. That first one, six m equal to 12. So what is given? 6m equal to 12. So it is 6m means 6 into m. So transpose 6 to right side. That will become by 6. Into will become by 6 ones are 6 twos are. That is m equal to 2. Next, what is given? 14p equal to minus 42. So it is 14p means 14 into p. So transpose 14 to right side. That will become by 14. 14 ones are 14. Dividing with same. 14 ones are 14. 14 threes are 42. Then p equal to minus 3. Minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Next, third one. Minus 2x equal to minus 12. So this is into minus 2. So whatever the sign, but it is total value is multiplying the variable. So by transposing to right side, that will become by minus 2. Here minus get cancel. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. That is x equal to 6 by 1 is 6. Next one is here 2x by 3 equal to 18. Okay, if you have the more than one constants, first you have to transpose plus and minus, then into and divided by. Okay, so in this we can take any one of these two. So I am taking first by 3. So transposing by 3, it will become into 3. Next, 18 into 3, this is into 2, transposing right side, that will become by 2. So we can cancel 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. Or we can cancel after multiplication also. X equal to 9 threes are 27. Next, 13 minus 6n equal to 7. So here we have two constants. 13 minus 6n equal to 7. First we have to transpose plus or minus values. 13 minus 6n, so that is minus 6n. So it is subtraction of 6n. So minus 13. It has plus and it is bonding with minus. So transposing to right side, the plus 13 will become minus 13. So that is minus 6n equal to 7 minus 13. 7 minus 13 is minus 6. Biggest one is minus n. So 13 minus 7 is 6 minus n equal to, it is into minus 6. అక్కడ ముందు మైనస్ ఉందా ప్లస్ ఉందా కాదు, ఇది ఎన్ను ఏం చేస్తుంది అనేది చూస్తాం. minus 6 by minus 6 should not change the sign. సో ఇంటూ ఇటు వచ్చినప్పుడు సైన్తో సహా డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీని ముందున్న ప్లస్ మైనస్గా మారిపోతుంది. ఇది ఒకవేళ ఇంటూ చేసింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు బై దీని ముందు మైనస్ ఉన్నా కానీ బై minus 13 అవుతుంది. సో ఆ విధంగా అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ డివిజన్గా మారినప్పుడు, డివిజన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్గా మారినప్పుడు సైన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఇటు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, ఇటు అడిషన్ చేసేది అటు వచ్చినప్పుడు దాని సైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కావాలి, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అడిషన్ కావాలి కాబట్టి. So here minus minus get cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. So 1 by 1 is 1. N equal to 1. Okay. Next question is 200y minus 200y minus 51 equal to 49. So given one is 200y minus 51 equal to 49. So 200y. So first you have to transpose plus or minus. So minus 51 transposing to right side, that will become plus 51. 200y equal to, so by adding these two we'll get 100. So then transposing 200, that will become into 200 will become by 200. 2 zeros get cancelled, we'll get 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 2. This one. So let us take it is. So 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. So transposing this plus 5 by 2 right side, that will become 13 minus 5 by 2. So it is by 1. 8x equal to 1 to LCM is 2 itself. 1 into 2 is LCM. 13 into 2 is 26. Minus 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. So that is 8x equal to 21 by 2. So x equal to 21 by 2. This is into 8. Transposing to right side, that is by 8. So x equal to 21 by 16. So we cannot cancel these two. That's why 21 by 16 itself is the answer. Or you can write in mixed fraction also, or we can keep like this. 4x equal to 9. Transposing minus 5 by 3, it will become plus 5 by 3. So this is 9 ends by 1. So 4x equal to 1, 3 LCM is 3. 1 into 3 is LCM, 9 3s are 27. 3 ones are 3. So 5 ones are 5. So this is plus. 4x equal to 32 by 3. So x equal to 32 by 3 into 4, transposing right side by 4. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. That is x equal to 8 by 3. So it is improper. You can write in mixed fraction also, or you can keep like this. So you can keep 8 by 3 itself. X plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. So it is mixed fraction. First of all, you have to change into improper. That equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. X equal to 7 by 2. Transpose plus 4 by 3 to right side minus 4 by 3. So x equal to 2 3 LCM is 2 and 3 LCM. 2 ones are 3 as it is. So 1, 3 ones are 3, 2 3s are 6 is the LCM. 2 into 3 is LCM, 7 into 3 is 21. 3 into 2 is LCM, 4 into 2 is 8. X equal to 13 by 6. This is solvation of simple equations. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and write your opinion in comment box. Thank you.